I know, I'll use the name of my favourite sports team followed by a couple of numbers. It's easy to remember. I could use my birth name or my pet name. No, don't do that. As children get older, the uses of passwords becomes more critical. Once a young person is uploading on social media, holding an online account or purchasing products, the need for a strong password increases significantly. One of the challenges of creating a unique password is the more complex it becomes, the harder it is to remember. Here's a suggestion for you. Think of a sentence that you will remember, e.g., I love juicy red apples. The longer the sentence, the better. Stay with me. Take the first letter of each word and put them together, e.g., iLjRa, I love juicy red apples. Make every other letter into uppercase, e.g., I, uppercase L, J, uppercase R, A, normal. Add some numbers or symbols in between each of these letters, such as your date of birth, backwards, e.g. I98, L12, J16, RA. Finally, add a smiley at the end, e.g. I98, L12, J16, RA smiley. This password, with current technology, would take a computer 47 million years to crack. So for more tips on how you too can stay safe online, give us a follow.